All right, let's talk about something that seems so simple, but is actually one of the most stressful parts of planning a wedding, the seating chart. On the surface, it looks easy enough, but as anyone who's been in the trenches knows, it can turn into a total logistical nightmare fast.
I mean, does this look familiar to you? That frantic inbox, just buried under an avalanche of last-minute changes, conflicting family requests, and about a dozen different versions of the exact same spreadsheet. Yeah, if you've ever felt that pit in your stomach right before a wedding, you know exactly what this chaos feels like.
So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to dive right into this email seating nightmare and figure out why it fails so badly. Then we'll introduce a much smarter system. We'll walk through 6 simple steps to get you there, cover the benefits and the common mistakes, and finally, show you how to escape this mess for good. Okay, first up, the email seating nightmare. Let's really get into how this thing that should be straightforward just completely spirals into a massive headache. And that's the illusion, isn't it? Just put some names into some boxes. How hard can it be? But underneath that simple idea is this incredibly complex web of communication, last-minute updates, and super high-stakes details that can literally make or break a guest's entire experience.
So what's really at the heart of the problem here? Well, it's almost never the people. It's the process. It's the system itself. So let's unpack all that chaos in your inbox and see exactly why email is basically setting you up to fail from the start.
And this pretty much captures it perfectly, right? It's just a constant flood of information coming at you. You've got multiple versions of the guest list floating around. You get last-minute plus ones, new dietary needs that are critical, and of course, those really tricky family requests. Every single piece of information is important, but email just throws it all into one big, messy pile. And when you try to manage all that through email, this is what happens. It's a total recipe for disaster. The right version of the list gets buried in an email thread, a really critical allergy note gets overlooked, your staff on the day ends up working from an old, outdated list, and boom, suddenly you've got complete confusion on the wedding day. And this quote just says it all. The stakes are so high. This isn't just about being organized, it's about being professional. One tiny error, like seating 2 people together who shouldn't be or missing a guest's severe allergy, well, that can cause real embarrassment and just completely derail the whole event. Okay, but here's the good news. It really doesn't have to be this way. So let's pivot away from the problem and start talking about a smarter system. This is all about moving from that state of reactive chaos to one of proactive control. And here's the core idea laid out right here. The old way, that email chaos, it's just disorganized, it's stressful, and it is begging for errors to happen. The new way we're about to explore is all about centralized control. It's structured, it's efficient, and it lets you operate like the calm, collected professional you are. So, how do we actually get there? Well, it's not magic, it's just a solid process. Here are the 6 key steps to a totally stress-free and seamless seating plan. This is our path. It all starts with centralizing your guest list. Then you use real-time updates. You standardize your layouts, you assign clear roles to your team, automate reminders so nothing gets missed, and finally, you visualize the entire plan. You put these steps together, and you have a system that is absolutely rock solid.
Step 1 is absolutely non-negotiable. You have to create a single source of truth. Whether that's a dedicated software or just a master shared document, it doesn't matter. But no more emailing spreadsheets back and forth. One central place holds all the guest info, which means everyone is always looking at the exact same, up-to-the-minute information.
Now, every single step here is important. I mean, from using live data to keep everybody in sync, to automating reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. But let's jump to another element that is a total game changer: visualization. A simple list of names and table numbers just isn't enough. When you use digital seating charts, you can actually see the room, and you can spot problems that a spreadsheet would never, ever show you. Now, when you adopt this kind of system, the payoffs are huge, but it's also really important to know the pitfalls to avoid. So let's take a look at the clear benefits you get versus some of the common mistakes that people tend to make. And you can see how all these benefits are connected, right? It's like a chain reaction. It all starts with reduced stress for you and your team. And a calm, organized team, well, they make fewer errors. That leads to crystal clear communication with your vendors. And all of that comes together for the 2 things that matter most: happy guests and an event that looks completely effortless and professional. So here's what that looks like in the real world. You do this. You centralize the master list. You avoid this, sending a million different spreadsheets. You verify all the final arrangements officially instead of letting informal WhatsApp updates throw a wrench in the plans. And most important of all, you meticulously track every single requirement so those critical dietary needs never, ever get missed.
Okay, we've talked about the problem, the solution, and the best practices. So now, let's just bring it all home for the final, most important takeaway. This is how you escape the seating chaos once and for all.
If you remember just one thing from this whole explainer, please let it be this. Email feels easy. It feels convenient in the moment. But it is the absolute root of all seat and chaos. Real convenience comes from a system that stops problems before they even start, not from one that creates them. You know, by moving beyond the inbox to a system that's structured, centralized, and visual, you can completely transform one of the most stressful parts of your job into a smooth, professional operation. You have the tools, you have the process, so the only question left is, are you ready to manage like a pro?